In Japan, nearly 100,000 people are over 100 and still active. One major reason is a simple set of 5 exercises they do every single day. Do these daily and stay strong, mobile, and independent for decades. Exercise number 1. Seiza, restore knee and ankle mobility. Number 1. Seiza, this is a complete reset for your lower body. In Japan, many older adults maintain impressive joint flexibility well into their 80s through a simple daily position called Seiza. Most people never stretch their ankles and shins, which gradually leads to stiffness and reduced mobility. Seiza fixes this by gently stretching the lower legs and naturally aligning your posture. Here's how to do it. Kneel smoothly on a mat. Slowly lower your hips onto your heels. If the pressure is too intense, simply slide a folded towel or a cushion between your thighs and calves to relieve the strain. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe deeply. Aim for 2 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. You are clearing out daily stiffness so you can move with lightness again. Exercise number 2. Single leg balance. 90% of people fail this test. Number 2. Single leg balance. This is the ultimate longevity test. Try standing on one leg right now. If you struggle, it's a clear warning sign that your body is aging faster than it should. In Japan, sharp balance is viewed as your primary defense against physical decline. By forcing your body to stabilize on a single point, you strengthen your feet and protect yourself from falls. Here's how to do it. Stand tall on a flat floor. Lift one foot off the ground. Keep your standing legs strong, but slightly soft. If this feels too easy, close your eyes for a few seconds. That's where the real training begins. Hold for 2 sets of 15 to 30 seconds per side. This is how you build real, lifelong stability. Number 3. The deep squat. Exercise number 3. Deep squat hold. Unlock your hips in minutes. The deep squat is a natural human pattern we've simply forgotten. And this lack of deep movement makes your hips stiff and locks up your lower back. In contrast, many Japanese elders still use this position as a daily resting habit, keeping their joints incredibly resilient. Think of this hold as a natural lubricant for your joints that makes simple daily movements feel painless again. Here's how to do it. Drop your hips as low as your body allows. Keep your heels firmly planted on the ground. If you feel like you're going to fall backward, hold on to a door frame or a heavy chair for support. Aim for 2 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. It's a vital return to the exact mobility your body was designed for. Exercise number 4. Thread the needle, fix stiff back and shoulders. Number 4. Thread the needle. If you sit all day, your spine is slowly freezing in place. One reason many Japanese elders stay active for so long is simple. They continue moving their spine through a full range of motion every day. Thread the needle restores the rotation most people gradually lose with age. It improves your posture, increases shoulder mobility, and helps you move with ease. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees. Slide your right arm under your body and lower your shoulder to the floor. Reach as far as comfortable, feeling a stretch through your upper back and shoulders. Then do the same on the other side. Aim for 2 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on expanding your ribs with every breath to melt away built-up tension. Exercise number 5. Sumo stance, build powerful hips and knees. Number 5. The sumo stance. This is the ultimate powerhouse movement, inspired by the ancient training habits of sumo wrestlers. This simple stance builds a rock-solid lower body. Instead of complicated gym exercises, it simply strengthens the exact muscles that keep your hips and knees stable as you age. It creates a solid support system that protects your joints from daily wear and tear. Here's how to do it. Step your feet wider than shoulder width. Point your toes slightly outward. Sink your hips down until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Keep your torso upright. Your legs will burn, but that's the feeling of strength returning to your joints. Aim for 2 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is the definitive hold that ensures your long-term independence. Now, here's your complete 5-minute daily routine. Your 5-minute daily routine, Seiza. 2 sets of 30 seconds. Single leg balance. 2 sets of 15 seconds per side. Deep squat. 2 sets of 30 seconds. Thread the needle. 2 sets of 30 seconds. Sumo stance. 2 sets of 30 seconds. 5 minutes a day. That's it. Now, if you want to keep your knees strong for life, watch this video next. I did the wall sit for 100 days and the results surprised me. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.